Hi and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the SteelSeries Arctis 3. This is one of PC Gamer's voted as the best gaming headset of, I believe, about 2015, 2016. Really good headset here. As you can see, this is the box that it comes in. I actually have already opened this. See, it says it has the best mic from gaming, surround sound, has this new fabric which feels really awesome on your head, let me tell you. So here we have the box. Oh, we're going all around it. Sorry for the lighting. Trying to figure it out. Ooh, there we go. I might have put the box in wrong, but this is exactly what the headset looks like. Headset's right over here. Let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so inside the box we do have the plastic holders for the headset. You can toss these over here. We also have the product information guide, very useful. Actually does help because this headset can actually connect to controllers and it can connect to your computer as well, which is what I use it on. Here we have just a rating card that it comes with. And here's the activation for the surround sound feature that comes with these headsets. Here's another mold for the headset to be held in. And this is part of another thing I'll be reviewing later. And that's the box. This is the topside view of what the headset looks like. It looks really nice. I do use these practically every day as a main component of my gaming setup. I really do enjoy these. Really good. Let's get a closer look into them. Here's what they look like. They do not have lighting effects unlike their, I guess, sibling headset, the Arctis 5, the newer generation, which does have RGB on the side, the panels of the headset. So does the Arctis 7, which is the wireless version of these headphones. You can see here the cups do fold out. It's a really unique feature. It's really interesting. I like it. It feels good around my neck whenever I have to open them, put them down or something. Another feature about this headset that I really enjoyed, comparing to the previous headset that I owned, which was the Sony, the Gold Edition Wireless, which connects to the PlayStation 3, 4, and PC, and also has wired connection for phones. These cups feel so good. It's ridiculous. It's like a cloud is on your ears, and you don't even feel like they're there. These do cancel noise. They're not noise canceling, but they do block out a lot of noise, which is a feature that I really, really like and I enjoy. I use all the time. Taking a closer look into the headset, we can see that there are some buttons on the side. This is the mute microphone button. You push it, mutes your mic, push it again, unmutes it. Really useful feature, especially if you're in a call all the time like I am playing those games and someone just walks in your room and you need to get off the call real quick. You just mute your mic with the press of a button. There he goes inside. Next feature of this headset is the volume wheel. I use this one a lot. I just set my PC volume to about 50 and I just control it with this. This volume wheel helps so much. One of my favorite features of this, I did not have this on the Sony Gold Wireless, which were headsets that had buttons rather than the scroll wheel for the volume, and it does make a big difference. Another key part of this headset that is different than everything the Arctis series has is this strap. It's really comfortable. It's a cloth strap, as you can see. We're going to take a closer look here. It's a cloth strap. Let that focus in. It's a cloth strap. It feels so comfortable on your head, so you're not feeling this this metal, this plasticky part over here. It's just this band that just goes and just wraps your head, and it feels so good. I don't know what I'd do without them. It feels so comfortable on my head, and you won't get the headset hair, as I like to call it, one of the worst features of headsets in general is the headset hair. Here in the front, this is the front. This is the left side, even because it does have the wire that extends for about, I'd say about, it's a 3 foot long cable at least. Here is the microphone. It retracts, really good microphone. I do use it sometimes, really good. And it goes back inside. Sorry, I am doing this with one hand, so I am gonna try to put this back in here. Woo! It's not too difficult. Look at that, one-handed, pretty easy. Now we're gonna take a look at the software that this does come with. It is optional to use. I suggest using it. Let's just take a quick look. SteelSeries Engine 3. Really good software. I enjoy it. Something that not a lot of headsets come with is the ability to customize your every aspect of the headphones. So if we take a look over here, we can equalize this completely equalized. The noise gate, really good. Noise reduction on the mic, really good. Bass boosters, good for hearing steps, good for listening to bassy music. And the 7.1 surround sound, which is one of the best features that this could possibly have. Well, thank you so much for watching. This was the Arctis 3 review.